It's bonfire night and the big bad boys are coming out. So are you ready to see them?
Big boys.
I thought so. It's going off. Going off. Did you just see how flat that was on there? It was circles, literally. Another one, another one. That weren't the best. Another one, another one, another one. Well, can't see. Right. Couldn't hold it properly.
Oh, look at
Trees next.
two.
Trees next. Miracle.
Spinner.
Spinner, spinner. Spinny, spinnies. Jeez! Oh! This pen's gonna set on fire! Oh my days! Ah! Another one. It's a spinner.
Spinner Hamid. Oh.
That's a crap one. Why are they all stupid and crap, some of them? There we go. Doing it.
It's on fire!
It's on flaming fire! The tree's on fire!
Blow it out!
The tree's on fire! Woo! Woo! It's a 25-metre one. It's going, I think.
Oh, yeah.
It's doing it. It's doing it.
Oh, massive!
Bye.